Welcome to the Renaissance. Look around you. You are standing inside the private workshop of history's greatest mind.
Welcome to Immersive Past 360. Prepare to see Leonardo da Vinci's most amazing machines come to life.
It begins with a revolution in warfare.
Witness the early field deployment of Leonardo's famous cone-shaped armored vehicle. Next, Leonardo seeks to tame the elements. See the brilliant water-lifting Archimedes screw operating right by the river.
But the gears of conflict continued to turn.
Watch operators calibrate this massive, terrifying wooden siege weapon against the mountains. From the depths of war, he looked up to the skies. Take a look at an early morning vineyard test of the canvas-wrapped Hekel helipop prototype.
He studied the birds to conquer the heavens.
Soar high above jagged mountain peaks with a pilot navigating a bat-wing glider configuration. Back on the ground, weaponry evolved at a frightening pace. Discover the multi-barrel firearm designs to fire consecutive volleys on a fan-shaped rack. But invention also meant rebuilding the world. Watch stonemasons' massive fortress walls using Leonardo's custom crane mechanisms. Yet, what a crane builds, siege weapons are made to destroy. Feel the heat outside the city walls as crews load experimental multi-cannon structures.
Seeking new frontiers, Leonardo looked beneath the waves. Head to the coast and see a pioneer emerge from the surf in a full leather diving suit.
Finally, one last leap of faith remained. Peer over a cliffside overlooking Florence as a test pilot prepares a pyramid canopy. Thank you for joining us at Immersive Past 360. Please like is no longer behind us. Time travel redefined.